Okay, we have a 2016 BMW 740i, works on 750. All of these, you see how the car leans. The rear shock needs to be replaced. So when you try to replace it, the best way it is, because the 3 bolts on top of the shock, it's underneath the can't focus. All right, this underneath the speaker and the seat. You see those 3 bolts bolt mount. It's right there. I usually do it before I jack the car and replace the shock. That way you have, more access to get in and out of the car. You basically have to take the seat off, the trimming off, be able to get that. I usually cut between this insulation. It's easy. You can put it back in and tape it back on. So that a lot of people don't know how to take them off. So if you make this video, please subscribe for more.